Welcome to Recruiters Recruiting Recruiters. In this instance of SmartRecruiters, we're going to be working off the Communities page. Other tabs are available for you, but that's the one that we've set up for this instance. I recommend to click on the bookmark to make this your homepage so you can land on this every time. There's one community here that includes all sourcers and recruiters who have opted in. There's a search bar where you can do some Boolean search queries, and the left handrail with a bunch of filters, including some filters that we've set up for this instance in particular, such as, let's say you're recruiting for a university recruiter, an executive recruiter, and a sourcer. Additional questions include current employment status, which doesn't matter to me in this case. What type of employment are you looking for? Interested in a full-time and a part-time position, as well as what type of work location are you interested in, office or at home, or what's your primary industry of expertise. Let's go with that for now, and maybe add New York as a location filter. Now you'll notice there are 10 recruiters that fit that criteria. You can browse through each. You can also create a segment. This segment allows me to message all these candidates at once and also add to it recruiters who fit that criteria as well in the future. Once I create my segment, I'll go to campaigns so that I can send them a link to my job or a link to my calendar so that they can self-schedule. I'll pause for now so that you can reach this stage, and I'll have another video waiting for you when you get to that point.